Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn or see the fixes for Cloud Mobile Stratus C8 won't turn on or charge. So you can perform these fixes. Fix 1 is you need to force restart. To force restart, you can follow up these fixes steps. Press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for any sign of life like vibration or logo. If the screen stays black, try charging first. Fix 2. Try a different charging cable and adapter. Use a working USB cable and charger from another device. Plug into a wall outlet, not a laptop or power bank. Leave it plugged in for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Fix 3. Check the charging port. Inspect the charging port for dirt, dust, or damage. Use a soft brush or toothpick to gently clean it. Try charging again after cleaning. Fix 4. Remove the battery if it is removable. Remove the back cover and take out the battery. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Reinsert the battery. Press the power button and check it. Fix 5. Leave it plugged in for a while. Plug the phone into a wall charger and leave it for 30 to 60 minutes. Then try turning it on again using the power button. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, do like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.